Hello, everyone. Thank you so much for tuning in. Listen up, guys. If this is your first time tuning into my channel, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button because I'm going to be providing you with information on how to make a full-time income from the comfort of your home. I've been doing so since the 2016, and what I'm doing is teaching people and educating people on how to leave their daytime job once and for all. So today, what I'm going to do is give you some information about Cash Building System Unlimited, which is a postcard program opportunity that I've been promoting now for about almost a year. And I've been promoting postcard opportunities since 2016, allowing me to earn a full-time income and quit my daytime job. So what we're going to go over today is the sales page. What's a part of this sales page, why you should have one, and how it's going to help you to produce results on an ongoing basis. What I'm going to also do is talk about realistic expectations and how you can actually start to earn with a postcard program that's going to pay you anywhere from $25 all the way up to $3,500 on any given month. Okay. I'm not here to impress you. I'm not here to give you false expectations or try to sell you a dream. I'm basically giving you information so that you can understand how to earn a full-time income, how I was able to do it, and how it could be life-changing for a lot of people that decide to get involved with this opportunity. So this is a postcard program. This link is in the description right below this video. And what it's going to do is take you through and educate you on what to expect when you join the system. So there's no experience needed, no cold calling. You don't have to email people, no spamming, selling to strangers. You don't have to explain the program. Basically, a lot of people are just putting this postcard in the mail and they're using additional offline methods so that they can speed up their results. Okay. When you join this opportunity, we have two phases, phase one and phase two. Everyone starts at phase one. It's a one-time fee of $50. And then when you upgrade, you can upgrade anywhere between level 1 to level 8. Level 1 being the lowest level, which is $100, and level 8 being $5,000, which is the highest level. Now, I decided to come in right here in the middle. I'm at level 6, which is $2,500. I am definitely in profit. And I'm going to go over some questions that people ask me. How long does it take to actually start earning with this system? It depends. So what we're going to do is basically go over this. If you are a person that has, let's just say, 10 hours a day, right? 10 hours a week, okay? 10 hours a week. You're not going to earn the same amount as a person that has, let's just say, 20 hours a week, okay? So if you have a person that's working a full-time job, maybe they can only put 10 hours a week in, and then you have a person working a part-time job and they decide to put in 20 hours per week. It's not going to be the same amount of money that they're earning because, again, 10 hours a week and 20 hours a week is totally different. Okay. So I tell people all the time, if a person comes in at, let's just say, the $50 level compared to someone that comes in at the $500 level, they're not going to earn the same. Why? Because the person that's at the $500 level is going to be able to make more money and collect more money because they're at a higher level. So a person at the $500 level can collect $350, $70, $150 for the bonus level and $25 payments, where the person that came in at the $50 level can only collect $25 payments. Okay. So this is also important to remember. It depends on where you come in at, how much you're going to be able to make. Okay. So that's the other thing, how much time that you have, how much, money you spend, and then we have traffic. So this is the other thing, the most important part that I explain to people all the time. When you are pumping traffic into this business, which is mailing out your postcards, if a person is mailing out $250 a month, they're not going to make as much as a person that's mailing out 1,000 postcards a month. Okay. Not only that, if someone is using traffic like social media, which could be TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, they're going to make more money. Why? Because they're going to be able to get more people looking at their opportunity, because social media has a lot of people on it where they can have more people looking at their website. So if a person is just mailing postcards, they're not going to make as much money as a person who's doing social media and postcards. So what I tell people all the time is that you want to use 2 offline marketing strategies, and we're going to use OMS. This stands for offline marketing strategies. Okay. That can be postcards, banners, flyers, business cards. These are all offline ways that you can earn. Okay. Now you want to use one online, okay, marketing strategy. Okay. So you got one offline and one online. And what this is going to do is going to help speed up your results, because now when people aren't, actually pulling the trigger for whatever you put it offline, they can do so online. And not only that, you can now have people go directly to your website using an online marketing strategy. So with offline, yes, you'll be sending out postcards, putting up flyers, but it's not the same as online, because again, you're going to target more people when you decide to work on online methods. Now, what does it take to actually start online? You're going to need a website. That's very important, is your website. And you're going to also need a capture page. Now, we provide you with the website, and we also give you the video on how to connect your capture page. Okay. The website is very important. That's where people go. That's what's working for you 24 hours, 7 days a week. Your capture page is what capture the emails so that the system is automatically following up with information about your opportunity. Now, what I love about this sales page is the fact that it does all of the selling and telling for you, but not only that, it's allowing you to brand yourself. So you're branding yourself because your information is here, so people can get to know, like, and trust you. They can contact you. They can ask questions if they have any questions before they get started. What I also love about this is that we have the fast action bonuses so that people can get a lot of their questions answered if there are certain things that they don't know or they would like to know about the business opportunity. So we have our offline marketing secrets, which shows people how I earned $50,000 in 10 months with offline marketing. We have our discounted postcard stamps, where you don't have to pay full price for discounted postcard stamps. We have our Inner Circle Facebook group for paid members only. And then if you want to, you can also request one-on-one coaching with myself, and I will give you a 1-hour coaching session that's going to really help you and direct you so that you know exactly what you need to do when you get started. We also have our resources for success. This is going to be in our Facebook group. It's going to give you information about everything that you need to set up before you get started with this opportunity, including if you need a PO box, where to get all of your marketing materials from. It's going to go over taxes. Do you have to claim taxes or not? We touch on all of these little things that people think of when they first get started with this opportunity. And then we have the Eagles Club, which is for those who come in at the $1,000 level or higher. And this is going to be a more high intense training group that's going to teach you some additional methods more in detail on how to start generating a full-time income with this system. So here you have the $50 level, which gives you the 200 postcards, your 200 leads, and then you're able to collect unlimited $25 payments by paying out one time $50. Okay. And then at the higher levels, for people who want to really take their business to the next level, they want to really get to understand and make more money with this opportunity. You can come in at the 100, 300, 500, anything above $500. You can contact me and we will send you out an invoice. Okay. So for level 1, phase 2, you're going to pay $100 one-time fee. The bonus level is $300. And then we have level 2, which is $500. And now if you came at the 500, you're going to get access to all of these levels, including phase 1. Okay, that's how it works. So what I would like for you to do is, if you are watching this video, you need to go back and you need to start with day 1. If you click on my channel, I started with day 1, how to earn consistently. It shows you a bit of proof about the system and more information about how to use it. Day 2 is going to give you information on the same system, but we're going to go a little bit more into detail about how it works and what's possible when you start using this system consistently for the next 90 to 120 days. You want to start off with day one so that you're not confused and you understand exactly what to expect when you join this opportunity. But not only that, we break down information on like what's in a Facebook group, the different tabs and training videos that you need to watch, what you're going to receive in the mail when you get started. What I'm going to also be doing is showing you guys exactly what you need to set up your funnel and what you need also to set up your postcards before you start putting them in the mail. So I hope that this information has educated you on a little bit about what I do. Again, if you are interested in making money from home, you definitely want to click on the description below to take a look at this opportunity. It's very newbie friendly, and it's a great way to start earning a full-time income, especially if you want something that doesn't require a ton of different skill sets. And not only that, a huge learning curve. Okay. So thank you so much for watching this video. I look forward to seeing you on the inside. Again, please subscribe to the channel, and you can hit the notification bell so that you are notified every time I upload a new video. So thanks again and have a great day.